This is Deepak from techpex.com. Today I'm here to demonstrate a project on the basis of the wireless communication. As you know, today trending techniques which are very much popular are the cognitive radios. So basically in the cognitive radios, main working is to analysis of the spectrum, the power spectral values. So analyzing of the energy spectrum or the power spectrum, the users are allotted with the particular slots. So this project basically demonstrates the same concept in which we are working on the 5 users spectrum. So when I run this code, it will ask me that whether initially how many users are there on the particular spectrum. For example, it is asking me that do you want to have a first primary user, as I am asking yes, second no, third no, fourth yes, fifth no, and it will show me a spectrum like this. So this is the power spectral density, in which the x-axis represent the frequency and y-axis represent the power per frequency. So the peaks which are rise, it will show me that which users are there on the spectrum. So next step is for the secondary users allotment. So it will ask me that whether you want to enter any secondary users, then it will check that spectrum, that whether there is any space available for the secondary users. If I press enter, then what it will do, it will allot that particular spectrum to the secondary user. As you can see now, the first and the second spectrum along with the fourth bar are filled. When I press again yes, then first, second, third and fourth are filled. When I enter the fifth again, so all the slots are filled now. So for the further, if you want to enter a secondary users, either you have to wait or it will show you that all the slots are in use, try again later, and power spectrum analysis is done for the cognitive radios. So this is basically dependent on the how the power spectrum is analyzed in the cognitive radios. On the behalf of that, the secondary and the primary users are allotted with a particular spectrum. For the more details, either you can study the theoretical concepts or you can visit our official website and get more details regarding this project. Hope you people like this video. Be connected and watch videos on our official portal.